In this video, I'll be sharing my process of drawing the Ironman Mark 7 from the Infinity Saga. But before we do that, I have a little challenge for you. Can you guess what groundbreaking gadget was introduced for the first time in the Mark 7 suit? Share your answers in the comments below and I will reveal the answer at the end of the video. Welcome to 2x6 Studio, where we bring your favorite heroes to life through the power of art. I'm your host, Mr. 12. If you've ever wished to see your childhood heroes come to life on paper, you've come to the right place. With the sketching complete, it's time for inking. This is when I can let loose and focus solely on making the lines look great with the correct line weight. For this particular artwork, I'm keeping it simple with just using a Sharpie pen. Speaking of art supplies, I don't usually splurge on expensive materials unless it's necessary. What are your choices on art supplies? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, to reveal the answer to the earlier challenge, the groundbreaking gadget introduced for the first time in the Mark 7 suit was the back thrusters, giving Tony the freedom to use his repulsor while flying. So, there you have it. That's the process behind drawing the Ironman Mark 7. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments. If you have stuck around until now, I truly appreciate your support. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Also, if you're into anime, don't forget to check out my Dragon Ball drawing video right here. I see you there.